Look at all that white gunk. Oh man. Yeah, I'm glad we're doing this. This is bad. This is real bad. Uh-oh, Spanudios. What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today, as you can see, we're back in the garage. I got it on the stand. Let's start taking it apart. So, yeah, this should be fun. It's gonna be a lot more fun when this thing's done and I can throw it back in the car and make a very, very big turd, heavy ass car sound fast but be very slow. But as long as it sounds fast, that's all I care about. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, for starters, keep things simple. Remove the plate. And remember, like I always say, bag and tag. You do not want to lose any of this shit. The small ones are towards the back. Cool. That's the other good thing about recording all this. If I ever forget something, I can just rewatch it. That is very convenient now that I think about it. And just as proof, intake manifold. I know my dad watches these videos and I don't want him to be like, where are all the bolts? I bagged and tagged. There's physical proof right here. Let's get this intake manifold off of here. But in order to do that, as I remember from before, we gotta pull these rocker thingamajigs off. I'm not being stupid here, I just don't know what to call them because it almost looks like a single overhead cam engine because of how it's set up, but it's not a cam, it's just a solid like rocker platform. I don't really know what to call it. That's one of the things we talked about replacing possibly and putting like actual good ones in it, not this old ancient technology. So I believe those are 15s as well, so let's knock those off real quick. Okay, there's one. Now this is where things are gonna get technical. Well, not technical, but more difficult. Finding places to put this without making a mess of this place. So give me 1 second. All right, guys. Got this side off too, didn't want to bore you with that. Now, simple enough, pull all your push rods out. Now, something like this, I'm not really gonna bag and tag because it's quite obvious where they go. Now, we should be ready to pop this intake manifold off. Now we need to find something to do that with. Alright guys, found about the only thing in this garage that's gonna crack this sucker loose. So, remember how I did it last time. Oh, well I guess it's not all that tight, I suppose. It's coming done that soon, that's crazy. I guess the old one was on there for a while though, so maybe that's why that one was a little bit more of a pain in the butt. Not to mention that other intake manifold. Almost killed the camera. That other intake manifold weighs like 100 pounds. I'm not even joking. It's about how much it weighs. This is like maybe 15 pounds, if that. That's insane. Future! Now, we should be able to pull this sucker off now. Oh yeah. Okay, maybe it's a little heavier than I thought it was. It's not 100 pounds though, I can tell you that much. Guess I could flip her around and pull the pan off, I suppose. Get the rest of this fluid out of this, because I know it's gonna shoot coolant and oil and all sorts of shit as soon as I turn this thing, so that should be fun. So let's do that. Alright guys, well, it's just gonna piss everywhere, so I'm just gonna fucking commit at this point. Sorry, Dad. I tried. I really did. But it's just gonna make a mess. Oh yeah, I probably should have taken those out. Well, they're out now. Well, guys, no matter how good the inside looked, or in the valley. Come on, focus, damn. Look at all that white gunk. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm glad we're doing this. This is bad. This is real bad. Uh-oh, spadoodios. Okay, guys, I decided to take the heads off because this thing's so god dang heavy you can barely turn it. I had it upside down at one point, but getting it back right side up again was kind of a difficult task. And yes, I know this is retarded. I'm using this to try to loosen the head bolts. I'm in my parents' garage. I don't have any tools, so I got a cheater tool, which is part of a jack. So we're about to find out if it's gonna work. I'll tell you what. If it does, that would be dope. Oh yeah. I knew it would. Okay, guys. Camera died, but I got the heads off. I'm basically gonna tear this down as far as I can for today. This is probably gonna take me a couple days to record this video because I need to get a pulley puller so I can remove the harmonic balancer and then move on with that. But yeah, I got the heads off and the valves look alright. It's pretty dark over here. I don't really have a flashlight right now. Again, I'm working at my parents' house, so I don't really have much I can do with my work. Yeah, the pistons don't look terrible. The cylinder walls look good, so that's a plus. So as far as that goes, I think we're good. I think as soon as I get this thing apart, we'll be able to get it hot tanked and I don't gotta worry about any of that nasty shit in the engine anymore. But yeah, we're gonna flip this thing over, pop the oil pan off, and take a gander at what's in there. So I'll see you guys then. Okay, moment of truth. We pull this damn pan off. Like I said, I've already done all this before. So the pickup tube's gonna be out of there, like I showed you at the beginning. Full of cigarettes. So I'm just curious to see how the bottom end looks. For starters, I can already see coolant in this. So yeah, like I said, I'm glad we're rebuilding this. That's no bueno. Oof. Okay, yeah, I gotta grab the camera for this one. Try to get this thing into the light at least. Okay, this is straight up nasty. One, you can see the nasty, you can see the coolant in it. You see that nasty white oil. But right there, that is cigarette. And down there, that is cigarette. Again, how do you get cigarettes in your engine? Couldn't tell you. Ugh, clearly whoever built this was a friggin' hack. I want to go take a look at that in the light now. So I'm not BSing you here. Like, that's straight up cigarettes. Like, you can see all the, like, even right there. I'll put an arrow in this video right there. You can see like the filter for the cigarette. That's truly terrible. Like, it's no wonder this thing wasn't getting any oil up top. It was clogging the damn screen. I think I'm gonna try to scrape some of this out just so I can give you a better idea. Hold on. Okay guys, update. I decided to cut the pickup tube open because I've already ordered one. Don't gotta worry about that. But let's just take a gander. Jesus. I found all sorts of shit in this thing, so it wasn't just cigarettes, there's bugs. I found these little hard pieces, which I don't really know what they are. They're not magnetic, I can tell you that much. This one I thought for sure was a piece of metal because just how it feels, but I hooked it up to a magnet, it didn't stick. But you can see all the pieces of cigarette in there. Now, I wish I had it when I originally took it out. It wedged in here when this wasn't cut open. There was an actual butt that still had the brand name on it. I forget which brand name it was. It was some brand that was discontinued, so you can tell it was in there for a while. But so that's definitely cigarettes, I know that, but there's a bunch of other shit in here. I have no clue what the hell it is. But I did find little pieces of like these little tiny bugs and shit, which is expected. It's an engine that sat for a while, but Jesus, that's impressive, not gonna lie. Like, you can see all the little specks of BS in that thing. Whew, I'm glad we pulled this motor and we're rebuilding it, but after seeing that, oh Lord, that's terrible. That's really terrible. Oh, that sucks. My heart about skipped a beat when I saw those little hard pieces. I'm like, ah, shit. I mean, the motor's already out, so we could fix it if we absolutely had to, but that's I thought it was metal, and I was like, ugh, but looks like we're good. So, I mean, we'll see. But it's not magnetic, so I know it's not metal, so I don't know what it is. Hopefully it didn't do too much damage, considering it was clogged up in here. I'm not thinking it got past the pickup tube filter, so, or screen, or whatever you want to call it. So I'll see what else we can do. This may put me at a stopping point for right now because I still need to get this harmonic balancer. Like I said, this video is going to take a couple days for me, not for you. For you, it'll be the very next clip, but yeah, I'm gonna stop for a second and figure out what I need to do next. So I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, it's the next day. As you can see, I got a haircut, shaved the scruff, but I've been looking at the footage and it's kind of a lot, so I don't want to throw a 30-minute video at you, so I'm going to cut it in half. But I'm about to get started on tearing the block down the rest of the way for the part 2. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Share the channel, share the videos. And yeah, I really hope you guys are enjoying this old car Thunderbird stuff. Like I said earlier in this video, I'm really excited to get to work on this thing again. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Teardrops on the floor, the pain is over.